Hi, my name is Kurt Aspland and this is my studio. Well, in today's drawing tutorial, I'm going to show you how to draw a blue bunny. But before we do, I just wanted to say how much I enjoy making these, and I would really appreciate it if you just take a second and give the video a thumbs up. Thumbs up! That would be wonderful. Okay, with that being said, come on, let's go hop on in and start drawing. Okay, we're going to get started drawing our blue bunny. First thing we want to do is to draw an egg shape for the head. And then below that we're going to draw the body, but as you draw the body, I want you to think of this stuffed animal as having a lot of weight. So it's almost like a triangle, but with rounded edges and feels heavy on the bottom. A lot of times when I draw, if I think of the weight of something, it helps me to draw it more accurately. Let's go ahead and draw the two feet here. And then the second foot is going to be coming from the other side of his body, so it's going to be behind. Let's find a center line here and follow the shape or volume of the head. Make sure you push that center line off to the left. And then we're going to draw an eye line. These are guides so that we can make sure that things are lined up and square. Next, we just draw the nose. When you draw the nose, you want to make sure that one side is shorter than the other, so it gives the sense that you're looking in depth. Moving on to the carrot, he's holding this carrot across his body. And one paw is coming up, holding it from underneath. And of course, both paws are overlapping the carrot.
Oh, hey, if you're liking this video, make sure you subscribe right now below so I can keep making more. You got this.
We're going to draw this guide lightly to indicate where the green leaves or stems of the carrot will go. Okay, let's draw the ear, and make sure when you draw the ear, you kind of have a triangle approach to it. This will give it a lot of interest because there's variety. Let's get the smile in here. Feel free to pause the video at any time. And if you haven't, and if you've gotten this far, hey, do me a favor and please give me a thumbs up on this video. Now I'm just darkening in my lines. The hardest part of any drawing, I think, is getting the foundation right. And once you get the foundations right, the outlining or adding the detail, this is where it becomes a lot of fun. Well, this brings us up to our 5-minute mark, and I would pause the video, look at the drawings I have on the left-hand side, and that should give you a lot of guidance of maybe how to color our blue bunny or add some additional details like surface lines to the carrots, the sewn seam on his belly, and the green part of the carrot. All right, well, thanks for watching, and we will see you tomorrow. Thanks. Bye-bye.